Hey all, welcome back to DiaBeautyBlossoms. I hope you all are doing great, and today I'm here with a review of another product which is from Face Shop. They'll be reviewing the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Water, and without further ado, let's just get started. I've also reviewed another product from Face Shop, which is the all-in-one cleanser. If you have not watched that video, I'll put that link here or somewhere here in the description box, so you can just go back and see how it is. Packaging is similar to the cleanser, it's just that the content is different, so the color is different, but apart from that the packaging is exactly similar. The pump packaging, you don't have a stopper, so you can twist it to open it, and if you want to close it you have to twist this way and then press it. Packaging is really nice. It comes with this pump and you can pump the product out, but the only thing is you have to be careful when you open it for the first time, and when you want to bring the product out, it actually, you have to be very gentle, otherwise the product comes out like, it's like you get so much of the product, it just spills all over. It's not heavy as well, and as you know, it's plastic, and yeah, this is a decent packaging, and 145 ml of this product, and it retails for 590 rupees, and I guess I bought it for like 20 or 20% discount, so it was like 470 rupees. And I was actually traveling, so I wanted some cleansing water, cleanser or makeup remover, which is not hard on my skin, because I'll be, the weather is very different compared to India. It's very, very cold here right now, and I have been using it for like 2 months now. Since you can see I've almost, more than half I have used it up. You have all the details here in Korean language, and also you have in English, and let me just show you a close-up picture. Yeah, this is how you can see the consistency is like liquidy consistency, because it's like cleansing water, so it's like micellar kind of consistency. To the claims, what it says, it's actually a gentle cleansing water formulated with natural rice extract, and this actually has deep cleansing with rice extract, which brightens and smoothens out your skin texture. So you can soak cotton pad and wipe gently around the eye and mouth area or the entire face. Wash off with foam cleanser. And the ingredients, what it has is water, glycol, glycerol, yeah, and it has methyl paraben, so it's not paraben free product. It has paraben in it, but it also has rice extracts in it, and rice is very good. Korean skincare actually has rice in most of their skincare products. They believe that rice is used to brighten up. I feel it's a good product, but it does not remove the waterproof makeup. So initially I tried to remove the waterproof makeup with this. I felt it was removed, but later I realized I still had a lot of mascara left out, so it's not good for removing the waterproof makeup. But apart from that, it cleanses other non-waterproof, like if you want to remove your foundation, if you want to remove your eyeshadow, if you want to remove your lipstick, everything is really nice. It goes out smoothly. It makes sure it cleanses everything, and it's very gentle on the skin, so it doesn't give any irritation to my skin. Especially, I have dry patches somewhere here, so whenever I use some product which has chemicals in it, it actually makes my skin a little burning at that point. But this hasn't irritated my skin. It was smooth enough. I'll actually put a demo here on how I use this product. Hey, also I will be removing my makeup, and you can see I have loads of makeup. I have waterproof mascara, I have eyeshadow, I have foundation, I have the liquid lipstick from Sugar, and I have so much makeup on, the highlighter as well. So I'll be removing it now. So to remove my makeup, I'll be using this rice water bright cleanser, and I'll show you how how I remove my makeup with it. But it doesn't actually clean the waterproof makeup, so for that I will be using the L'Oreal Paris waterproof makeup remover. I'll take another cotton pad. I'm using this Face Shop one. I'll just use a little bit because it comes out more. And you can see the waterproof mascara would not come out completely. When I use this, I get completely. So it doesn't remove the waterproof makeup, but it removes the other makeup well. So I'll remove my lipstick. So I'll try to remove my foundation. And if there's any excess makeup, once you cleanse with the waterproof makeup remover, it will also remove it. So you can see the foundation has been coming out. It is not, it does not make my skin burning. It's really gentle and it's actually making my skin clean as well. See, the foundation is almost up. I use the other side as well. See, my skin is quirky clean now. I've removed all the makeup. Yeah, I've removed it, but I'll again use an empty one just to make sure I don't have anything left. See, you have little traces. So it's always, recommended to use a best cleanser when you remove the makeup, because you never know, there might be little traces left. So yeah, I have removed everything. As I said, it feels a little sticky. I'm not sure if you can see, but it feels a little sticky. So yeah, that's how I remove makeup using this. It's a nice cleanser for the amount it does, and you don't need much of this product, so it actually lasts really long. So yeah, this is what I feel about this product. It's really nice, gentle. I don't see it actually smoothens out the skin texture also, because I've almost used it and I don't think it smoothens out the skin. But yeah, it actually does not make your skin dry when you use it. But it also, whenever I use it, I feel like I have to cleanse my face. It's not that it's fresh or like a micellar water. I don't need anything after it. But this one actually has little sticky consistency. When I cleanse face with this, I still feel stickiness on my face. Then I feel I have to use a good cleanser. So yeah, it suggests that you have to use a cleanser after this. It doesn't say that it will actually the last step of your face cleansing, but I feel it's sticky, so you have to use a face cleanser. You can definitely try that, but it is not a paraben free product. If you're looking for something paraben free, yeah, then this is not for you. But if you're okay with it, then yeah, you can definitely try this product. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not my subscriber, and be part of DS fam. And also I put more updates on Instagram as well. So yeah, thanks all, have a great day, bye bye.